Tell the guys. Hi guys. Yeah. Tell the guys where are you going?
I go to
Go where?
swimming.
To play and
Swimming.
swim. Where are we now?
LCC.
KLCC guys.
Ow.
We're going KLCC guys. And I'm wearing Davao. A Davao cap and a Davao t-shirt.
Ow. I keep getting hit and hit.
No. Wearing Davao t-shirt.
And that one is...
Mag-migrate na kami sa sa Davao. Charot! Ang nice ng white Christmas tree. White Christmas ang motif this year ng KLCC. It's a white Christmas motif. Ay, ang ganda niya.
Christmas.
Yeah. Yeah, it's Christmas already.
After Christmas.
It's New Year.
New Year. How about Chinese New Year?
Chinese New Year is after New Year. Hi guys, this is Gal.
Oh, the gun. Hey, Dave, holding. Everything is decorated. Can I eat curry?
White Christmas yung motif nila.
Look.
Oh wow.
Ow. My eye. I should bring that one glass.
It's like look like a skating area. Ganda. It's a skating kashi. Skating area.
What?
It's a skating area.
Where?
There inside. You know, festive skating experience.
I have to try.
I do. Are they open? Next time. Come on here. You want to swim or not?
Yeah.
Then come. Mag-swimming siya, guys. Wala akong tali ng book kaya.
Oh, so comfortable.
Anak yun. Tuning is very low. Dami kong barikos yun.
Can I take off my underwear?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Ah! Hold the fire. Ala! Cannot see it in the video. The Facebook will ban my account.
What did you just do? what did you just do?
Nakita niyo yung kanyang peanut, guys?
It was so sad. A little bit sad.
Ready? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Enjoy your swimming. Maaga pa, wala pa masyadong tao. Kasi ano din kasi yung weather, laging masama yung weather kaya walang masyadong tao. Wearing my Davao. Ano to? Bigay ng ano ng customer ni Just Bina. Galing US tapos punta. Ayun. Ano siya yung nasa naka-base sa USA. Sa church nung Woman of Purple Heart. Ayan, binigyan niya ako ng Davao na cap, tsaka Davao na t-shirt. Davao. Thank you, ate. Ay, nakita na naman siyang kaibigan, guys. What's on Mommy's Beauty Bag? Charot. Binaonan ko lang yan siya ng unang pagkain. Ayan, nag-fried rice na ako. May fried rice siya dyan. Tapos itlog. Tapos may macaroni salad nandyan. Tapos may snacks siya dyan. Tubig. Tapos may extra siyang damit. Ayan.
Crisp.
Huh?
Crisp.
Crisp?
Yes.
Nah, not in the water like this. Time check, guys. 2:00 na ng hapon. Mag-start siyang mag-swimming 11:30.
How to eat the egg and the fried rice?
So, tapos na siya mag-swimming, guys. Magkain na siya. Nagbaon kasi ako. Nagbaon ako ng pagkain niya.
We want to see the guys.
Want to see the guys?
Ooh. Mommy.
Ay, langgam na. Ayan.
What langgam?
Ayan. Itlog lang yan, tsaka fried rice. Wala lang, simpleng fried rice lang.
Kill it.
Sus, napakaliit nga. Nakatakot na naman. I check if it's still...
Can I watch my phone?
No. Okay. See the guys. Tell the guys what we're eating.
I'm eating egg and fried rice.
So they tell them that you swim.
I swim. And I got friend.
Oopsie.
Well,
Sun.
He spent all his savings to buy 50 boxes of seaweed. He thought he would fry them in oil, turn them into a tasty snack, and sell them. But after frying,
Sun.
the taste was bitter and absolutely...
Change table ah. Hey guys. Kinagat siya ng langgam. Hindi na mapakali, ano to eh. arty. Mahina yung kanyang pain tolerance. Mm.
What happens if a fire ants bite you?
So did you enjoy? Tell the guys if you enjoy. Yeah. But ants bite him. Kaya hindi siya masyadong masaya.